Hi guys, welcome to the Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter Algebraic Expressions of class 8, exercise 11.2, third sum. Okay, simplify x into 2x square minus 7x plus 3 and find the values of x when x equal to 1 and x equal to 0. So in this, students guys, we need to first step is we need to simplify this one, taking the product. After getting the result, substitute x value as 1 and substitute x value as 0. Okay, and simplify. Now take down the given expression x into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Okay, now this is a monomial single term, that is a monomial, and this is more than 2 terms or 3 terms. They give exact 3 terms, right? That becomes a trinomial. Monomial with trinomial. We are trying with monomial with trinomial. X into 2x square minus x into 7x plus x into 3. So x repeated 3 times and 2x cube minus x repeated 2 times 7x square plus 3x. Okay, this is the expression we got. After getting that, substitute x value equal to 1 guys. In place of x, replace by 1. 2 into 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. So we get minus 2 after simplifying. Put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, then total value becomes 0 guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.